Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical with a fantastic week in review. And stick around because our featured topic is about Dr. Sanjali and her most popular videos of 2019. Let's kick it off right about now. First, can you identify this mystery diagnosis by Mrs. Angemi? I'll have the answer at the end of the video. Next, we have Dr. Nogorov popping pimples with a spatula-like device. What is that thing? I personally recommend pimple popper tools. I'll put a link to my favorite below. This child has a strange removal from his nose. Holy cow, look at that. What is it? Going back to our mystery diagnosis, here are the top 3 most popular answers so far. Flatworms, conjunctivitis, and pupilla duplex. Stick around for the answer. These lungs have seen better days. They're the lungs of a 52-year-old man after 30 years of smoking. The lungs came from an organ donor, but they were not suitable for transplant. So what was the answer? Pterygium. She says pterygium, or surfer's eye, occurs in patients who have too much exposure to UV light and external irritants like wind and dust. It's not exclusive to surfers, anyone can get it, like this patient who lives in a harsh Mediterranean climate. It's a triangular tissue growth that typically starts in the corner, near the nose, and moves inward. Lastly is our topic about Dr. Sanjali. When I was searching for her most popular video of 2019, I realized that she only has one video with more than 2 million views this year. Look at the dates on her most popular videos, and most are years old. I think this is because YouTube is suppressing her newest videos because they believe they're too gross. What do you think, folks? Is YouTube too restrictive on channels like Dr. Sanjali? Comment below. I'll put a link to her most popular video in the description below, so please check it out and share the link. Hey folks, get rid of those blemishes like a pro with this 7-piece pimple popping kit. It has high quality, full-size tools, a variety of specialized ends including a lancet, and a handy case for easy storage and travel. See the Amazon link below, it ships quickly from the USA.